i35equipment.com. This is XCMG XE210CU hydraulic track excavator. Super nice machine. Stock number 008. Welcome you to come look over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operators or hire some local ones to accompany as you like. We're open by appointment only though, so give us a call, get on calendar. Over here is 405-833-6437. Take a hauling quote. Use any equipment out of the country, so get it shipped to you, shouldn't be an issue at all. Fill out the form on our website. Call, text, or email at your full delivery address. Share that address to the local haulers. Nationwide broker and get back to us. It comes back to us. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service or fill out the form on our website. If you're not familiar with XCMG, they are the third largest manufacturer of equipment in the entire world. They have a large parts warehouse in Las Vegas. They operate with Cummins diesel motors and Kawasaki pumps. This one has cold working air conditioning, tons of power, switchable control panels, switchable control patterns, auxiliary hydraulics from the factory. Also has the factory XCMG North America bucket with 4 brand new teeth. Also has this heel shrouds on the bottom of the bucket to give it extra strength if you're digging in a rocky terrain. Give it a little more protection. Does have factory pre-plumbing for quick attach system. Quick attach is not on there, but if you wanted to add it, the buttons and the hoses are all pre-ran. See, it does have the amber beacon light on top, dual travel speeds, horn, still has the hand and safety rails. Super nice machine, low hours. We're going to check it out, look it over real close, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. We do have manual and hydraulic thumbs available if that's of interest to you. See the auxiliary hydraulic hookups there. And these are the hookups if you wanted to ever add a quick attach system. Except all pre-plumbed with the lines there. Work lights. Let's go ahead and hop up here and take a look at the motor. Turntable pump. Kawasaki pump there. Donaldson topspin pre-filter helps keep a little of the dust out of your motor's intake, air intake filter. There's that Cummins diesel. No depth, so that's a great feature. Sounds to be running great. It's got a lot of power. High quality motor. Really clean up here. It's not abused. Very low hour machine. Be really good for the farm, the ranch, or the construction job site. Just depends on your needs. You're supposed to check that hydraulic fluid with the arm folded up and everything, that way, so it would show forward than what it actually is sitting at right now. Excellent undercarriage. We did have some rain out here, but really dry machine. Not seeing any leaks or issues. This is your switchable control pattern changer right there. So you're just going to pull this up, pivot it over, and it's going to change from backhoe control to excavator and vice versa. Go ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens, give us a good view of the interior. It does have the factory XCMG seat in it. It's a little dusty in here, but overall, Good condition. Real good condition. Cold working air conditioning. Radio looks like it's a little beat up. I usually listen to podcasts or Pandora on my phone anyway. It's currently sitting at only 2,400 hours. Dual travel speeds, no codes, no issues, no lights. This is all part of the pre-plumb package for the quick attach system. Work lights, windshield wiper, throttle, key of course. Appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, see our phone update and tour equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.